On day one of meeting. Here, you can do the intro.
Oh, day one, and we're painting.
Look at this
really
brush
intense.
stroke.
That was well said.
That explains so well what we're doing. Like that.
How do you feel about this painting situation?
I feel alright about it. I think there's some room for improvement, but
Now I don't see any paint on your brush.
that's because I put it on the
Have a camera in your face. You're just like, yo, you don't know.
Let's start shit right now, right now. So what was your question?
So excited to spend 30 days with all these people.
Well, I'm super excited that I'm painting the side of this trailer right now. And if that's any indication of how excited I'm going to be biking the country, then I'm stoked. Stoked.
Oh,
See, look at the
this
quality.
awesome shot.
You ready? Oh, what? Up and down.
End of night one at Bike a Build, and we're all sitting in church.
It's beautiful. I feel
Is
like
it?
I'm glistening. It's a little toasty.
Day two.
Dear Lord. This is a helpless group of misfits.
Oh, now it is. Hi.
Recording you. 1, 2, 3.
And I learned one the other day. Yeah. This is Jeff. I added this. This is great. But I won't do that.
What?
This is the fastest one in the country.
New
New England. New England, okay. We're
We're
recording.
about to move the trailer onto the hitch of the van, and
Because
there are
this
20
person parked here.
28 bags in there that weigh at least 50 pounds. Not to mention all of our food.
And I'll be filming and not helping at all.
Yeah.
Day 6, we just biked to Hewlett Packard.
All right.
Yeah.
HP.
Day 7, build day.
Fixing wheels, yo.
Look at this beautiful girl.
Oh, Whedon,
Whedon.
getting rid of Japanese knotweeds. These are Japanese knotweeds, the most invasive species in North America, in the world. And they're gonna go back, even though we're removing them all.
I don't know how. Do you want to put that in your mouth? It'll be like old times, not mine.
We just put cookies in the banana bread. It's disgusting. It's oatmeal raisin. It's disgusting.
let you go. I'll never let you You said that